Welcome back to AutoSnap. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the 2026 Kia Stinger. Once a symbol of Kia's performance prowess, the Stinger's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster. Let's explore what's on the horizon for this iconic model. Rumors have been swirling about the Stinger's potential return, especially with the automotive industry's shift towards electrification. Enthusiasts have taken to platforms like Reddit to voice their speculations and hopes. One user commented, "The Stinger isn't coming back anytime soon or at all, sales were poor, which is why it was dropped to begin with." Another added, "There's so many AI/render fan art versions kicking about." These discussions highlight the community's skepticism and the proliferation of unofficial renderings. In the realm of official news, reports suggest that Kia is planning a high-performance, luxury electric vehicle to replace the discontinued Stinger GT. This upcoming model aims to capture the essence of the Stinger while embracing modern electric technology. The Scottish Sun notes that Kia is developing a high-performance, luxury EV to replace the discontinued Stinger GT, which was known for its powerful 365 3.3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This move aligns with Kia's broader strategy to expand its electric lineup and cater to enthusiasts seeking both performance and sustainability. Further fueling the excitement, a leaked production schedule hints at a Stinger replacement. Codenamed GT1, set for a 2026 release. According to CarBuzz, Kia's leaked Union new car production schedule refers to the Stinger replacement as the EV8 codenamed GT1. This aligns with Kia's commitment to expanding its electric vehicle portfolio and suggests a performance-oriented EV successor to the Stinger. However, it's essential to approach these developments with cautious optimism. While the prospect of a new Stinger or its electric successor is thrilling, the automotive industry is rife with rumors, and official confirmations are still pending. Enthusiasts and potential buyers should stay tuned to Kia's announcements for accurate information. In conclusion, the 2026 Kia Stinger represents a blend of legacy and innovation. As Kia navigates the evolving automotive landscape, the Stinger's potential return, especially as an electric vehicle, showcases the brand's dedication to performance and sustainability. We'll keep you updated as more details emerge. Thanks for tuning into AutoSnap.